Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from credit card balance transfers with Citi BT detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from a credit card balance transfer with Citi, start by understanding your account details. Begin by logging into your Citi account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the balance transfer section. Review the promotion terms and conditions for your balance transfer. Confirm your available credit limit on your Citi card. Check the interest rates applicable to the balance transfer. Next, decide how much of your balance you wish to withdraw. Select the option to transfer funds to your checking or savings account. Provide the necessary details for the account where you want the funds sent. Make sure to double-check the account number and routing number for accuracy. Read through the summary of your transaction for clarity. Verify any fees associated with the balance transfer withdrawal. Proceed with the transaction by clicking on the Confirm button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your withdrawal is successful. Keep an eye on your email for transaction updates or statements. Monitor your Citi account for the transfer to be reflected in your available credit. Review your account statements to track your new balance and payment due dates. Consider setting up alerts for future transactions related to balance transfers. Stay informed about your payment deadlines to avoid interest charges. This concludes the detailed guide on withdrawing from credit card balance transfers with Citi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.